go cry, but you can't let out all the feelings inside. So you lay in your bed on the blankets and nod, and you let people know that you're feeling just fine. And your pillow gets stained with the tears that you cried, and you praying nobody comes in, and that's why. And the redness is already taking your eyes, and you wish you could hide it, but there's no disguising it. Cry, let it all out. Go ahead, just fall down. Scared of me now, I don't want them to carry me out. Lies, you're fed up with doubts. When I scream, no words come out. Bye, no set on the couch. Let me hear what you gotta say now. Trapped in my mind. Look up, look left, look right. Gone, no one's around. I've been calling to God, but it's hard, my voice. What's it take about choice? So I keep making noise, hoping they hear me, but they just fear me.